everybody, I wanted to make a quick unboxing video of this AquaticLife deionized car rinse unit. Basically what this unit does is after you wash your car on the final rinse, before you dry it, you use this system to run the water so that it prevents any water spots from forming on your car before you have a moment to dry it. I've heard good reviews about it and I'm excited to try it out. I thought I would make this a quick unboxing video for anybody that wants to see what's inside the unit when you get it. So this will be the first time me opening the box here. Set this down here and take everything out. There's one box inside there. There's another larger box. Take everything out. And we'll set this aside for right now. Open this up. So it looks like you have a cartridge tightener to torque the cartridge down once you're done with it. You have some parts. We'll go and open that up in a second. Looks like they provided some Teflon tape, instruction manual, warranty card, and looks like this is the unit. Looks like this is the unit itself. And one thing that I did ask the folks that sold this to me was can the supply side and the filtered side be reversed? And all you would need to do is unscrew these 8 screws and you would just twist around, and then now the supply side becomes on this side and the filtered side becomes on this side. Just make sure you remove these stickers and relabel them, which is the supply side and which is the filtered side. So I'll open this up here. So it looks like this is to connect the hose bib. So one would be the inlet and one would be the outlet. I'll show this here. So the way this would mount is through these screw holes, and you would just mount it against your system like this, or your wall right here, just like this. Set that aside, and let's go ahead and open this up here. These are the canisters with the filters. So you have 2 here. And so that there. And you put this here. So these are the canisters, and these canisters screw onto the bottom of this here. So I'll only do one side here so I don't have to fiddle around with it. You'll see a full installation once I get ready to install this. But this is the filter in itself. I'm not going to open it because these do have a shelf life, and I don't know when I'll be installing this in my garage. But more to come when I install this and use it and test it. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment. Thank you.